Let me get the video going here.
God damn.
Oh, Bliss, you're a day late and a dollar short, man.
Bill's got it on his, and he gets some video on it.
Sometimes it bothers him. He's standing up there the first time. Just
Just loading it with paper, man. Just loading it with paper.
That's it. Pipe round.
An 1830 to 1850 boot pistol, made probably in somebody's garage.
Yeah, this is going on
Cap
YouTube.
your ass if you do the wrong thing.
I don't think about no garage. Hell, might have been a little cabin out in the woods, you know. Down in Brentwood. Brentwood, Tennessee. Right outside with the house. With a couple copies of, a few copies of the what's that, the Mason people. And he was one of the top line at the time of it.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot the motherfucker right here, Carl.
Right here, Charlie. Hold your
Our brother acquired the gun about 15 years ago.
All right, let's walk it outside.
Exactly. Hell yeah.
Get over here where we got some
Masonry. There we go.
Don. Hope he don't fucking shoot me.
From the masonry.
You got Curly over there in the t-shirt and the shorts, trying to be the guy.
I am the guy. Does it shoot? Will it fire?
That's
bullshit. It hasn't been fired in a while.
Fire in the hole.
Oh! Shoot!
Oh,
Yeah! And there's